When Aussie released their unique 3000 psi Honda-powered AB30 pocket rocket, it took the market by storm. Great for tradies and contractors cleaning up, this mighty but compact machine has proved to be a hit both at home and overseas. This year, production now features a new stainless steel frame and flat-free tyres. Just as compact and with the same quality Bertolini pump and safety features, the new machines now look as good as they work. Used with a range of matched accessories from turbos, foamers and flat surface cleaners, Aussie's AB30 tackles cleaning chores fast and efficiently. They're built in large runs at Aussie's boutique Castle Hill factory in New South Wales, using quality components sourced from Europe, genuine Honda engines and stainless steel frames made locally here in Sydney. Each machine is fitted with an Aussie safety protection kit, an independent brass unloader, thermal dump and pressure relief valve, which all work together to protect the pump and the user from pressure spikes and from extended bypass running. A team of qualified fitters hand build, set and test each unit. A pressure gauge is temporarily fitted during testing to set up the safety valve and unloader. These are then paint marked once set. So there you have it, a compact commercial pressure cleaner proudly made in Australia for Australians and the world.